Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. Why it is good to eat bananas every day, the positive health effects of the fruit. Banana is one of the world's most popular fruits for health benefits. This tropical fruit is not only rich in antioxidants, but also an excellent source of potassium, vitamin B6, fiber and carbohydrates. Here are some of the health benefits of bananas. Improves digestion. Bananas are easy to digest and do not irritate the gastrointestinal tract. They contain starch that is not digested but reaches the colon, where it creates an environment for beneficial bacteria to grow. What's more, bananas can also be eaten by people with gastritis and heartburn. Fruits can balance the level of minerals lost in the event of digestive upsets such as diarrhea. Bananas promote heart health. Raising potassium while decreasing sodium is probably the most important prevention of cardiovascular disease. One study found that people who take at least 4,069 milligrams of potassium per day had a 49% lower risk of dying from coronary heart disease than those who consume less than 1,000 milligrams. By the way, avocados have a similar effect. Bananas soothe the intestines. Doctors still recommend a diet, bananas, rice, applesauce, and toast, for people with digestive upsets. Not only are bananas relatively tasteless and easy to digest, they replace vital electrolytes in the body, as most of them are lost during a gastrointestinal disorder. The fiber content in bananas also promotes balanced bowel function. Reduces the risk of anemia. A condition called anemia is characterized by pallor, fatigue, and difficulty breathing. These are some of the consequences of reducing the number of red blood cells. Bananas are high in iron, a mineral that stimulates red blood cell production, and vitamin B6, which regulates blood glucose levels. With these essential ingredients for health, bananas can prevent anemia. Protects against stress. Nutritionists say bananas can improve mood because they contain tryptophan, an essential amino acid that stimulates the production of serotonin, also called the hormone of happiness. Plus, one banana contains about 27 milligrams of magnesium. This mineral is useful when you need to reduce stress and sleep disturbances. Gives energy. The potassium in bananas protects muscles and prevents cramps, and the carbohydrates in these fruits provide enough energy to cope with a hard workout. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.